So let's start from the first question. Here, find adjoint of, I am taking a 3 cross 3 matrix here. It is 1, -1, 2, 2, 3, 5. Next is -2, 0, and 1. Okay, this is given to you, and question is to find the adjoint. Okay, so how to find out the adjoint of any 3 cross 3 matrix? कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं किसी भी 3 cross 3 मैट्रिक के लिए? सो आई एम रिपीटिंग इट. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट दी कोफैक्टर्स. क्या फाइंड आउट करना पड़ता है बेटा? यहाँ पर आपको कोफैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट करना होता है. सो व्हाट इज दैट? दैट आई रिप्रेजेंट इट बाय AIJ. AIJ. What it means? I am finding the cofactors. Okay. Now change the sign. Change the sign of the values here. This one negative, minus, minus, and minus. Okay. You have to keep this in mind. You have that before finding CIJ, you change the sign. The reason I have told you that when you are writing CIJ, what it means, that is -1 to the power I plus j into mij. Okay, that's why, because it will give you even power, odd powers. Okay, these values at this point A1 2, here A2 1. At this point this is A2 3 2. Clear? And this point this is A2 3. Only these 4 values, 4 points, you will get the even power, odd power. So that's why we take it as a negative. Okay. Now after this, find the CIG. Okay. Find it here. First for 1. So for 1 it is 3 ones are 3. Okay. Then for -1, I am finding here for -1, that is equal to, from this to this, if we remove, that is 2, and minus plus 5 to the 10. Got it? Then for 2, if we find, so 0 and 3 to the 6, plus 6 will come. Clear? Then next is for A2 1. For A2 1, if we remove it, that it is -1. Clear? For 3, if we find out, that is 1, and minus plus will come 2 to the 4. Answer is 5 here. Okay. Now for this 0, and it is -2. Okay. Now to find this, for this -2, that is -5, 3 to the 6, that is -11. Got it? Okay. Now find for 0, all of you. Right. For 0. Hurry up, be fast. What will be the value for 0? It is 1. Okay. Yes. Answer is here 1. Okay. That is 1. -1 will come. For 1, if we have found, then we remove this row and column. 1 -1, 2 and 3. So it will come here 3 minus plus 2. That is equal to 5. Okay. So what is the answer here? We are writing here. This is the cofactor of this given matrix. Aij, that is equal to 3 minus 12. I think some mistake is here. 3 to the 6. That is right. It is equal to 6. Clear? Here 1, 5, then 2. It is here -11, -1, and 5. Any doubt up to here? Any doubt up to this point? मैम मेरा माइक नहीं ऑन नहीं हो रहा बेटा. इफ इट इज नॉट ऑन, यू press this audio, join via audio. Okay, then easily you can see it. Nancy, na? Nancy. Now it's visible to me. It means it is on. So now this is cofactor. Okay, आपके पास cofactor आ गया. Now how to find out the adjoint? Adjoint means take the transpose of these cofactors. जितने भी cofactors हैं उनका क्या लेंगे बेटा? Transpose. So it is here 3 minus 12 6, here 1 5 2 minus 11 minus 1 and 5. Okay, so this when we do, then that will give you the value of adjoint. Okay, is it clear to all that how to find out adjoint, or any doubt is there? Adjoint, tell me fast, friends. Now the next is to verify a into adjoint of a is equal to adjoint of a into a equals to determinant of a into I. Okay, so yesterday this point was left, so I'm telling it that if you multiply a into adjoint of a, that should come equal to determinant of a into identity. Here I am having a matrix here that is 2, 3, minus 4 and minus 6. Okay, now this is a matrix that is a, and yesterday I told you that if you have a 2 cross 2 matrix, so no need of finding the adjoint. Okay, क्या करना होता है? You have to only interchange these values. ये जो values है इनको आप क्या करेंगे? Interchange करेंगे. So that is minus 6 here and here 2. Clear? And then change the sign of these. That is minus 3 and here plus 4. Got it? This is adjoint of A. Now multiply A into adjoint of A. The next step is to multiply this A with the adjoint of A. So what is A? That is 2, 3, minus 4, minus 6. Multiply with this minus 6, minus 3, 4 and 2. Okay. So yesterday I told that how to multiply the any two matrix. We multiply this row with the column. कैसे multiply करते हैं बेटा? Row को किससे multiply करते हैं? With the column. Okay. So let's see here. 2 into minus 6, that is minus 12. Then 4 3s are 12. Okay. We multiply this 2 with minus 6 and then 4 with the 3. Yes, it is 0. Now next is 3 2s are 6 and 3 2s are 6. Next, minus 6 into minus 4, that is 24, minus 24. Next, it is 4 3s are 12 and 6 2s are 12. So what is the answer? It is coming. It is 0, 0, 0 and 0. Okay. Like same, if you multiply adjoint of A into A, adjoint of A into A, then still the answer will come same. That is 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Up to here clear? Now, next step to prove that it is equal to identity, determinant of A into identity. Okay. So let's see that how to multiply this A into identity. Okay. I am telling here, this is determinant of A. What is determinant of A? To multiply these values, okay, and then take subtract sign. So 6 2s are 12, that is minus 12, and then in between you take negative sign. Okay, listen it carefully. You have to take the negative sign. Okay, then 4 3s are 12, so it is coming minus 12 plus 12, that is equal to 0. Okay, what we got? Determinant equal to 0. Yeah, that is right, Mohit. Now after this, multiply with the identity. Okay, so what is that identity matrix? That is, if it is 2 cross 2, so 1 0 0 1. कल मैंने बताया था आपको you have to take this value 1 1 on the diagonal and others on the 0. So if you multiply 0 with 0 1, that is 0 0 0 0. What we got here, this metric, and this metric, these three are same. So we got the point that if you multiply a into adjoint of a and then adjoint of a into a, so that is coming equal to determinant of a into identity. Okay, you can use this method for 3 cross 3 matrix. 3 cross 3 के लिए you, if you apply, then same result will come here. Okay, so this we learned today. Now the next step, next point is to find the inverse. To find the inverse of the matrix. How we can find the inverse of any matrix? So what is the formula? That A inverse is equal to adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Adjoint of A, determinant of A. One thing you have to keep in mind, पेपर में A inverse निकालने से पहले you should think of it that whether this determinant of A is coming equal to 0 or not. Okay, if it is not equal to 0, then only A inverse will exist, otherwise not. Okay, all will do the same step, that before finding this A inverse, they will find determinant. Okay, don't directly go to the adjoint of A. First you have to find out determinant of A, and then if it is coming not equal to 0, why? क्यों ऐसा होगा? क्योंकि adjoint of A divide by determinant of A, if it is 0, something by 0, is it defined? No, answer is not defined. Answer is not defined. Okay, so all will keep this in mind, that before finding the A inverse, first you have to find out mode of A or determinant of A. If determinant of A equal to 0, not equal to 0 is coming, then you write that here A will exist. Okay, so let's see here. Question is 2, -2, 4 and 3. Clear? First we find out determinant here. This is a metric. Okay, जब आपके पास ये जो rectangular basis है वो आपको दिखाई दे, so it is what? It is a metric. So first to convert it in a determinant. This is here 2, -2, 4 and 3. Clear? So how to find out the determinant here? We multiply them. Okay, this 3 to the 6, in between negative sign, minus sign, and then 4 to the 8. So 6 plus 8, that is equal to 14. Okay, this point is clear to all? Is it clear to all how to find out the determinant of any metric? Okay, okay. Now after this, find the adjoint of A. Adjoint of A. So with the same method, take the negative signs here. Okay, A11 को छोड़ के यहाँ क्या आएगा? नेगेटिव साइन. एंड Cij we take the transpose. Okay, Cij जो भी आएंगे उनके क्या लेंगे? ट्रांसपोज. So if you remove here 2, 2, 3 will come here, and here -2, it is 4. For this 4, it is -2. Okay, and for this 3, it is 2. So I am taking transpose of it. जब रो को कॉलम में और कॉलम को रो में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? ट्रांसपोज. So this sign represent the transpose. Now change it. 3, -4, here 2 and 2. Clear? You can see here that we have interchanged these values and sign of these two. है ना? इन दोनों के साइन चेंज कर दिए हैं और ये जो है ये वैल्यूज क्या हो गई है? इंटरचेंज. Now what is A inverse? That is very simple. Now it is equal to adjoint of A, 3, 2, -4, 2, divide by determinant. So what is the determinant? That is equal to 14. So this is the answer. This is our answer. that how to find out inverse, that is to first find adjoint. पहले adjoint find out करना है, divide it by determinant, and after dividing it we get the answer. Okay, let's see the 3 cross 3, and for 3 cross 3 I am taking a trigonometry question. Okay, ताकि आपको सबको clear हो जाए. We have a question that is A, here 1 0 0 0 0, here it is cos alpha, here sin alpha, this point is here sin alpha, and here it is minus cos alpha. Okay, because some students seem to have problem in this trigonometry function, है ना, कई बच्चों को problem होती है in this trigonometry. So all will clear it that when we have a trigonometry, then same steps you have to follow. Okay, so don't think it will be difficult for you. For this A, before finding this A inverse, we find out the determinant here. Okay, so what is the determinant? I told you that first to write down the elements A11, A12 and A13. Then multiply with the cofactors. इससे multiply करेंगे उनके cofactors से. Clear? So let's see. What are the elements here? Elements are here 1, I don't know why these students are creating this. No, if you don't want to study, you can go. Who is saying to you? I will complain to sir. Sir was saying to you. Next one is that when we have A, that is 3, 7, 2, 5, and value of B, that is equal to 6, 8, 7, 9. Okay. Question is that to verify that AB inverse, to prove it equal to B inverse into A inverse. To prove it equal to B inverse into A inverse. But I am saying to you that when you have inverse of this, any value, कोई भी value है, उसका inverse है, and they are in multiplication, then value is not A inverse B inverse. Value जो होती है वो A inverse B inverse नहीं होती, that is B inverse A inverse. Okay, the value is B inverse A inverse. If any two values are in multiplication, then we write like this. Okay, so let's see that what will be the answer. AB inverse means you have to take the product of these values, AB. Okay, this into this, 6 3s are 18 plus 7 7s are 49. Now 24, 63, then 6 2s are 12, 35, and here 16, 45. Okay, now solve it. Here it is coming 67, it is here 87, this is here 47, and this is coming here 1, 5, 6, 7, 71. Okay, this is coming here 67, 87, 47, and 71. Okay, now the next step is to find the inverse. So before finding the inverse, what we will do, we find out the determinant. Okay, so these things you have to keep in mind, beta. Don't go for the straight adjoint. Okay, सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना पड़ता है, उसका इनवर्स निकालना पड़ता है, और इनवर्स के लिए सबसे पहले क्या होना चाहिए, डिटरमिनेंट. Okay, so what is the determinant of A? That is determinant of AB, which is equal to, here multiply the values, that is equal to this into this minus this into this. Is there any doubt? Astha. Yes, Astha, tell me.
Ma'am,
I have No doubt. Okay, you have raised hand, that's why I was thinking. So here it is this into this into this. So 67 into 71 minus here 47 into 87. Okay, now what is the answer here? It is equal to 67 multiply 71, that is equal to 4757 minus, then multiply this 47 into 87, that is equal to 4089. Yes Mohit.
मैम 61 आएगा लास्ट में 71 की जगह.
61. Okay, this is 61. So let's see this one. If you multiply these value here, 67 into 61, that is 4087. 4087. Okay, 4087 minus 4089, that will come minus 2. Okay, answer is here minus 2. So now can we solve it? We first find out the values here. Okay, so that is here adjoint of A. So directly I am doing it, adjoint of AB, that will give you here change the values, that is equal to here 61, 67, and here minus 87, and here minus 47. Okay, and divide by minus 2. Clear? Now after this you will find out B inverse. We find out B inverse here. So how to find out B inverse? First to find out the determinant of it. Determinant of B is, it is minus 2. Clear? Then find out adjoint of B. Adjoint of B, we interchange the values here. That is 9, 6, and minus 8, minus 7. Okay. Then find determinant of A. Determinant of A is 5 3 is a 15, 7 2 is a 14, that is equal to 1. Then find adjoint of A. Adjoint of A, that is equal to 5 3 is a here 5, here 3, this is minus 7, and this is minus 2. Got it? Okay, so in between these values I am removing. Here, now you have to take B inverse and multiply with the A inverse. Okay, B inverse into A inverse. B inverse into A inverse, that will give you here adjoint of B by determinant of B into adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Yeah, multiply this. It is 1 by, it is coming minus 2 here, and this is 1. So that will remain same, that is minus 2. Okay, now multiply adjoint of B, that is 9 minus 8 minus 7, 6 into 5 minus 7 minus 2 and 3. Okay, so after multiplying it, you will get the answer that is same as adjoint of this, means A inverse of AB inverse this. Got it, beta? Okay, so this is how we can solve the questions related to the inverse. Okay, now one main very important question, that is most important question of this exercise. Surely this type of questions will come in your exam. Here, when you have a determinant that is A, it is 3, 1, minus 1, 2. Okay, question is to show A square minus 5 into A plus 7 into identity, that is equal to 0. Hence, find A inverse. This is the main thing you have to learn today, that when you have a determinant, अगर आपके पास कोई भी metric है A, first you have to show that A square minus 5 into A into 7 into identity, that is equal to 0, and then you have to find A inverse. So this is main important कि A inverse को कैसे find out करते हैं. Some students try to solve it by the same method. A inverse is equal to adjoint of A divide by determinant of A, है ना? ये तो ये क्या है बेटा? गलत है. This is totally wrong because in the question it is here hence. Hence means you have to use the result, this result, and then find it. Okay. So first of all, we prove that the product of it means if we solve this left hand side, so that will come equal to 0. पहले हम क्या करेंगे? We prove this left hand side equal to 0. I think all can do it. That first to multiply this 3 1 minus 1 2, multiply with this 3 1 minus 1 2, then minus 5a. 5a means multiply this a with 5, minus 5 है ना, minus 15, then minus 5 here 5 and 5 to the 10, and then identity 7 into identity means identity बताया था मैंने that if we, on the diagonals we have values 1 1 and other values are 0. So after multiplying we get here 7 0 0 7. Okay, you just solve it and then answer will come here 0 0 0 0. Okay, now the question is main thing that hence to find A inverse. आपको तो main क्या करना है? A inverse find out करना है. So listen, how to find this A inverse? बेटा, we first use this equation. हम क्या करेंगे? इस इक्वेशन को यूज करेंगे, दैट इज a स्क्वायर माइनस 5 इंटू a प्लस 7 इंटू आइडेंटिटी, दैट इज इक्वल टू 0. ओके, हाउ? वी फर्स्ट टेक दिस a स्क्वायर दैट साइड और यू मल्टीप्लाई, प्री मल्टीप्लाई और पोस्ट मल्टीप्लाई विद a इनवर्स. क्या करते हैं? प्री मल्टीप्लाई द मैट्रिक विद a इनवर्स. किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? A इनवर्स से. व्हाट इट मींस? प्री मल्टीप्लाई पोस्ट मल्टीप्लाई. देखो, अगर आपके पास होता है A into B, there is no property with where we can say that will come equal to B into A. Okay, तो हमें क्या करना पड़ता है? That when we have any matrix, then we have to see that by which value आप उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो, प्री और बिफोर दिस और पोस्ट. पोस्ट मीन्स आफ्टर दिस. A inverse into A, that is different from A into A inverse. Result बेशक same आएगा. Okay, but this method is changed, means different here. That when you are having any metric, then if you are pre-multiplying it, you have to write it before the metric. जो भी metric है उससे पहले लिखना होगा. And if you are multiplying it post-multiplying it, so you have to take that metric after that metric, है ना? जो metric है उसके पीछे आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? उस metric को रखना पड़ेगा. Now, if I am multiplying this with A inverse, so what will come? A inverse into A square minus 5 into A inverse into A plus 7 A inverse into identity. And something if we multiply by 0, that is always 0. Okay. Now, the next step, A inverse into A square I have. तो A square को क्या लिखा जा सकता है? A inverse into A into A. Got it? A square है. A square को क्या लिखेंगे बेटा? A into A. तो A inverse into A, that is identity. Identity into A minus 5 into. Again, I think some problem is there. क्या कि अगर किसी भी इनवर्स को किसी मैट्रिक्स से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, सो यस्टरडे आई टोल्ड दैट इज आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक. क्या आता है बेटा? आइडेंटिटी. सो A इनवर्स इनटू A, दैट इज आइडेंटिटी, इनटू A माइनस सेम A इनवर्स इनटू A, दैट इज आइडेंटिटी, प्लस हियर 7 A इनवर्स इनटू आइडेंटिटी. किसी भी वैल्यू को अगर आइडेंटिटी से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो सेम आएगा, दैट इज A इनवर्स. It is equal to 0. Okay, we multiply it, and after multiplying what we got, these values. Okay, so you have to keep this in mind that when you multiply A inverse into A, that is identity. You are multiplying any metric with identity, so that is always equal to that same. Okay, now next step, we have 7A inverse. Can we find out the values here? Yes. Okay, so that is 7 inverse I will keep on the left hand side, 7A inverse, and then take this that side, that is A minus A plus 5 into identity. Okay, ये identity into a करेंगे तो a आएगा, and a if you are taking on the right hand side, so that is minus a plus 5i. So what is the value of a inverse? Now we got the answer, 1/7 minus of a plus 5 into identity. Okay, so this is your result. You just go through the values. Okay, a को 5 into identity से multiply करना, a में add करना, and 7 से divide करना, so that will give you a inverse. Got it? Okay, is it clear to all? If not, if it is clear to all, you just raise your hand, all of you. Okay, thank you. So take care, all of you, and ignore those students, those who are disturbing the class. Okay.